So this is a sewer inspection for 812 North Avenue 65 in the city of Los Angeles, California. Right now we're actually inside the sewer where the homeowner's sewer connects to the city main, and this is a clay connection, and it's right at the saddle. So I'm going to slowly pull the camera back, and I'm going to locate quite a few areas on this particular sewer because there's a lot of root intrusions inside it that you'll see as I pull the camera back. So right here you see there's roots coming in on either side of the sewer pipe, and the pipe's also pulled apart a little bit. Same thing here again. You can see there's a lot of cockroaches coming in through the holes of the sewer pipe, and there's also roots. And this is actually the 6-inch clay sewer. Same again there. Okay, so I'm actually going to locate this area because there's a lot of roots there, and it really has to be addressed either with cleaning, which is just a temporary thing, but more than likely, I'd recommend that the sewer is actually either rehabilitated or physically excavated, which is the most expensive thing. But rehabilitation is a good alternative because we can actually install a new pipe inside the existing pipe. But for right now, I'm just going to locate where this particular crack with the root intrusions are.